Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sell on crypto.com exchange. First, you'll need to set up and verify your account. This involves completing the Know Your Customer or KIC process to ensure security and compliance. Once verified, you can deposit funds, either crypto or fiat currency, into your exchange wallet. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth selling experience, allowing you to trade without delays. Now let's place a sell order. Head over to the spot trading section on the crypto.com exchange. Here, you'll select the specific cryptocurrency pair you want to trade, for example, Bitcoin versus US dollar. You then have the option to choose a limit order, which executes at a specific price, or a market order, which sells immediately at the current best price. Consider which order type best suits your selling strategy. After selecting your order type, you'll need to input the exact amount of cryptocurrency you wish to sell. The system will then display a summary of your order, including any applicable trading fees, which are typically a small percentage. Carefully review all the details to ensure accuracy. Once you are satisfied, confirm your sell order. The transaction will then be processed according to your chosen order type. Finally, after a successful sale, you might want to withdraw your funds. Navigate to your wallet on the crypto.com exchange and select the withdrawal option. You can choose to withdraw in fiat currency to your bank account or transfer cryptocurrency to another wallet. Always double-check the withdrawal address or bank details. A final verification step, often a two-factor authentication, will secure your withdrawal request, ensuring your funds reach their intended destination safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.